ॐ हौं शिवाय नमः। 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 ॐ शिव 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 Jaganmate Kulakundalini, wake up in everybody, wildly explode in everybody. Wake up, be awakened, raise to Sahasrara, to reach Mahadeva. Sambhavi, Sambhavanod, Sandadam Sallabitirka Shankari Purappadu, Shambhavi, 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 Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. Sangaran அழைக்கின்றேன் சாம்பவி புறப்படு, விழித்தெழு, சகஸ்ராரம் நோக்கி பொங்கியெழு. Arise, awake, Shiva, 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 Shiva.
सावित्री नवयौवना शुभकरी साम्राज्यलक्ष्मी प्रदा चित्रोऽपि परदेवता भगवती श्रीराजराजेश्वरी.
वासिनी मनोन्मणि पापनाशिनी त्रिभुवनपोषिणी विशेषिणी ज्ञानदायिनी नित्यानन्देश्वरि जगदीश्वरि शरणं श्री नित्यनि नाशिनी जगच्चिन्त्यमानरूपिणी धर्मस्थापिनी ध्यानपीठकारणेश्वरी मन्दहासिनी नित्यानन्देश्वरि परमेश्वरि शरणं श्री नित्य नित्येश्वरि महायोगिनी भक्तसङ्कटापहारिणि सभानायकी श्रीचक्रमध्यवासिनि दुःखहारिणी नित्यानन्देश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि
Shiva, 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 Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Settle down. Open your eyes. I'm seeing most of you are more relaxed. Okay, few minutes. If you want to ask anything or share anything, you are welcome. Which side? Go ahead, go ahead.
Yes, Swamiji, since you said we don't have to do anything, so if we feel a little sleepy during the process, it's okay?
No, no,
Okay.
no sleeping. That's why I'm asking you to drink water. Sleep is actually the side effect of the heat produced by these sounds. See, these sounds heals many of your patterns. When those patterns are healed, the kind of a heat is released in your nervous system. That heat is the reason for the sleep. So if you drink water, that heat will be cooled off and the sleep won't be there. Speak.
Yes. Swamiji, during process, neither I was sleeping nor feeling in waking capacity.
That is okay. That is called Turiya, restful awareness.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Kundalini awakenings, one of the best side effect is restful awareness. Feeling so powerful, but not sleepy.
During the process, my body gets like a flying about direction. After that, it is floating in the.
Good. That is called conscious levitation. Your body doesn't levitate, but your consciousness has started levitating. See, experiences do matter in Shivoham process.
My mind was again wandering today, I don't know, after 2 days, during the Shubham.
But controlling is not required. Mind control is not required. Even if it wanders, no problem. That has nothing to do with it. Actually, these completions lead third eye awakening as a more easy. See, when there is so much completion, you become like a kid and easy to awaken the third eye.
Even blind people can do third eye?
We are evolving the technique to that. See, the doctors, we are working with a group of scientists and doctors. They said in the early morning, see now when you are blindfolded, the 100% light will be reduced to 4% light in your eyes. Even then the 4% light will be moving in your eyes, even with the double blindfolding. Early morning in dark room, if you are blindfolded, that is 100% sealing the light effect on your eyes. If a child or somebody can read early morning in a dark room, that is the foolproof. Then even the blind people will be able to use this technique and do the blindfold reading. That's what is the scientists and doctors suggested. We are successful in doing it. We did it and we are successful. Now we already applied to work with one blind school where we are going to take this to a blind school first for the born blind kids. Once we are successful, then the born blind adults. So already we are successful in fulfilling all the conditions required to take this technique to born blind people.
Swamiji, one more question. What about those who become blind after some years?
Though even on them it can work. That's what, but we have not yet established it. We have established all the reasons, all the prerequisites, not reasons, prerequisites, but we have not yet proved it on the blind people. We are going to work on it.
Thank you.
Swamiji, difference between one's muscle memory and biomemory, that one.
your day-to-day habits, like eating, smoking, drinking, all that is muscle memory. Your survival decisions, how you respond when your life is threatened, those things are biomemory. Traditionally it is said, when you come to Varanasi, some of the important pattern in your life or important desire in your life you have to give up, renounce. But now you guys are not giving up one pattern. Tons and tons of pattern you are giving up. What more you need? Relax.
Next question is that since we are liberated by your blessings and we already cleared our sins in Ganga, what's the purpose of life now?
No, I have not liberated you.
I mean, in the death process, by your blessings, of course.
Death process gives you the liberation when you leave the body. But the goal is not just having liberation when you leave the body. When you leave the body, even if I give my blessings, you need to give your blessings for yourself.